Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy MEEK from Producer Grind, and guess what? I got a free pack for y'all, a free preset pack. We just came out with a brand new free Serum preset pack. If you guys don't know what Serum is, it's a super dope virtual synth by Expert Records. Shout out to Expert. Definitely iconic, used in a lot of production nowadays, and now we got some tools for y'all to start your sound design journey in there, man, to start your synth journey. So this is the Apprentice preset pack, 45 presets, okay? These presets range from 808s to pads, chords, leads, everything you need to start cooking up and experimenting with Serum. I can't wait to see what y'all come up with as far as the melodies go. I actually cooked up a quick melody right here I want to show y'all, just using all sounds from the preset pack, so check it out. So as you can see, it's got a lot of virtual style stuff in there, but there's also a lot more. I'm actually going to pull up the Serum and show you guys the pack. So once you open up the pack, you'll see I got some 808s in here. I got some basses, chords, leads, pads, and plucks. Pretty much everything you need to get started. I actually really like the 808s. If you're trying to learn how to sound design 808s or you want to know how they're made, these are pretty great starting points to even make you start making your own. You know what I'm saying? It's just some small processing. If I could give some tips on how to utilize the most out of this pack, it's going to be two things. One is to mess with the effects section in Serum. In Serum, there's this effects section. There's a lot of cool effects: phasers, dimension, distortion, flanging, compression, EQ, another filter, other things that can just help shape the sound a little more to what you want. So don't be afraid to add some more stuff. You know, this is all just a starting point for you to go ham. And then another thing I recommend is to mess with the macros. So the macros are these knobs right here at the bottom left of the VST. They're basically knobs that I've attached to certain parameters in the plugin so that it changes the sound in certain ways. So like, for example, we got it right here on this little synth. I wanted to add some attack or make it swell a little more. I can bring up the attack, give it some more air, bring out a filter, and you know, these are cool to automate and stuff, to just add different shit. It's all kind of stuff. Just I wanted you guys to be able to customize these sounds as much as possible, because that's what it's all about. I want to get you guys familiar with this synth because this is just the beginning. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more Serum Sauce videos. I'm about to give you guys all the gems and all the ways you can start making your own patches in Serum. And go cop this kit. It's free. 45 presets for free. Blessing y'all right now. We're blessing y'all. So I made all of these from scratch. You know what I'm saying, using wavetables from just from different synths and regular Foley stuff, just a lot of random things to just make cool sounds. So you can cook up all types of shit. You could cook up virtual type shit, you could cook up dark shit, you could cook up a lot of type of stuff. So I want to see y'all get to cooking. If y'all like this pack and y'all are using it, make sure you tag at Producer Grind and at the Nick Meek on IG and show me what you guys are cooking up, because I definitely want to see y'all using this VST, and I want to see y'all getting crazy with the sound design. So that's what I got for y'all. Make sure you check the link down in the description to go cop the pack and get to designing your own sounds, man. So bless up, much love, and I'll see you guys soon. Get to cooking. Peace.